In this video, I will show you how you can fix the ghost typing and false touch problem on your iPad 11 A16. Now, the ghost touch problem can happen because of many reasons, and in this video we will go through all of them. Let's start with the screen protector. Now, if you have applied a screen protector which is not compatible with your iPad, this can cause touch issues and ghost touch problems with your iPad. Just remove the screen protector, and after that just use a soft cloth and clean the screen of your iPad, because dirt and oil might have built up on the screen of your iPad, and this can also cause touch problems. So just clean the screen of your iPad and check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just grab your iPad. Now, if you have plugged in any connector or an accessory to the charging port of your iPad, just unplug it. Also, if you have applied any case to your iPad, just remove it. After that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button of your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now, after the force restart process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed even after the force restart, then the last thing you can do is just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available or not. If you have any software update available, just tap on Update Now and update the software of your iPad, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. After that, just go back to the General Settings, and under General, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPad. Then tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will not delete any data of your iPad. You will just reset all the settings of your iPad to the default iPad settings, in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if you have done all of that and if none of these methods worked, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.